Hey guys, it's Adam here from F150LEDs.com. Today we have our Ranger here in the shop. We're going to be switching out those old, dim, dingy yellow halogen lights for our super bright MK5 LED headlight kits. We're going to go ahead and jump in the install and show you how to do each step of the process right now. Alright, the first thing we need to do to get to the headlights is remove this plastic valance here. To do so, there are 5 pop tabs located across the top of this valance. We went ahead and removed those just for sake of time in the video. There's also 2 bolts here that we'll need to remove using a T30 size screwdriver. We're just going to back these out. Alright, now that we've removed these 2 bolts, you can lift up on this piece and your valance will slide right out like so. Alright, now that we removed our plastic valance, we're here on the driver's side of the truck, and on both sides the high beam bulb is going to be the bulb that's on the inner side of the headlight assembly, and the low beam bulb is going to be on the outer side of the headlight assembly. So we're going to reach in here. There's a plastic covering on the back of each of the bulbs. You give it a counterclockwise turn like so, and it'll pop right off. So now that we've done that, we're going to reach inside the assembly. Another counterclockwise turn will reveal our high beam bulb. You just pull up on this tab here on the back and it'll release the bulb. We're going to take our high beam bulb from F150LEDs.com and then just reinsert it just like so, and then take our bulb and slide it right back into the high beam housing. It is a little tight, so just be very patient as you're doing this install. And once you get it in there, you'll feel the tabs line up and give it a clockwise turn to lock it into place. Alright, and then we're going to do the exact same process for the low beam bulb. Once again, this is very tight, so we'll throw some pictures up on the screen for you to help see the shot a little better. This one has a little push tab. You press in and the bulb will come right out. Same thing, we're going to take our ballast from F150LEDs.com, plug it into the truck's wiring. You'll hear it click into place, and then you're going to reach back and something that is a little helpful tip, you can look from the front of the headlight housing and you'll be able to see the bulb, and you can see the tabs line up. And once you see the tabs line up, give it a clockwise turn to lock it into place, and we're good to go. So that's all there is to swapping out those old original bulbs for our MK5 LED headlight kits. This kit's going to add a lot of light at night, which is going to help you be able to see better protecting you and your family while you're out driving. You can check this kit out along with all of our other amazing LED products for your Ford truck at F150LEDs.com. We truly appreciate your support and we look forward to seeing you there. Thanks guys.